Ever pondered how artificial intelligence or AI influences our daily lives? In our rapidly evolving world, we face complex issues that demand innovative solutions. Amidst this whirlwind of information and technology, we seek tools to simplify and streamline. That's where artificial intelligence makes its grand entrance. So, what exactly is this artificial intelligence we speak of? Picture this, a blend of complex algorithms and machine learning working together like a well-oiled machine. This intricate system is capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, much more than any human mind could comprehend. It then uses this data to produce solutions, insights, and even predictions. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket, constantly crunching numbers and providing answers. As it turns out, artificial intelligence is an extraordinary blend of data analysis and insightful solutions. Artificial intelligence isn't a new kid on the block. Its roots trace back to the mid-20th century, when pioneers dreamt of machines matching human intelligence. Over the years, AI has evolved from simple automated tasks to complex problem-solving, thanks to breakthroughs in machine learning and deep learning. We've seen it grow from a fascinating concept into a transformative force across various sectors. This isn't a linear journey, though. It's been a roller coaster ride of spectacular successes and daunting challenges. Yet each step, each stumble, has been crucial in shaping the AI we know today. Now we're witnessing AI's increasing relevance in our daily lives. It's more than just a tool. It's a partner that augments human capabilities. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is helping us navigate the complexities of the modern world. Its applications are limited only by our imagination. AI's journey has been nothing short of a technological revolution. But how does AI actually impact our lives? Well, let's take a look at a few examples. In the medical field, AI is revolutionizing healthcare. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, even creating personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. Transportation is another area where AI is making a huge difference. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI, are making our roads safer by reducing human error. AI also helps manage city traffic systems, making them more efficient and reducing congestion. In manufacturing, artificial intelligence is optimizing production processes, increasing productivity and reducing waste. And it's not just in factories, even in agriculture, AI is being used to manage resources and predict crop yields, helping farmers plan better and reduce wastage. So, from healthcare to agriculture, AI is reshaping the world as we know it. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer, continually pushing boundaries and opening up new possibilities. In essence, AI is becoming an inseparable part of our lives. Its impact spans from diagnosing diseases, optimizing production, to predicting crop yields. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but an ally, revolutionizing our daily lives. With AI by our side, we're not just solving problems, we're shaping the future.